Hello friend, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, UP, Haryana, MP and any another state, then it is most important for exam point of view. So you can prepare it without wasting of time. Question number 50. Question is, what do you mean by quantitative assessment? Describe its advantage and disadvantage also. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्वांटिटेटिव असेसमेंट. क्वांटिटेटिव असेसमेंट से आप क्या समझते हैं, इसका डिस्क्राइब कीजिए आप, इसके एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज क्या है इसको भी. या क्वेश्चन इज राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन क्वांटिटेटिव एंड क्वालिटेटिव असेसमेंट. यह आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जाएगा कि आप एक शॉर्ट नोट लिखिए क्वांटिटेटिव या क्वालिटेटिव असेसमेंट पे. तो इस तरह से लिखना है. क्वांटिटेटिव असेसमेंट. क्वांटिटेटिव असेसमेंट टूल इज द मेथड बाय विच data are collected and can be analyzed, either number statistical analysis. Quantitative tools are those that express their result in number. They tend to answer questions like how many or how much or how often. Quantitative tools and techniques are used for assessing learning outcomes at ordinal interval as well as ratio level. Ratio level. Under this quantitative and change in the behavior of a child are measured and explained. All the modes related to traditional testing and examination are applied in this assessment. Mainly it is used to measure the knowledge and skill development related achievement of a child. For this purpose, following assessment tools are used. Okay. Now we will discuss about these tools. Okay. First tools is test. It is an assessment intended to measure a test taker's knowledge, skill, aptitude, physical fitness or classification in many other topics. A test may be administered verbally, on paper, on a computer or in a confined area that require a test taker to physically perform a set of skill. Next point is survey. It means a planned effort to collect the desired information from a representative sample of the relevant population, generally known as respondent. It can also be defined as systematic gathering of data from respondent through questionnaires. Third point is questionnaires for evaluating social aspect of one is personality like sociability, self-exposition, etc. Questionnaire is widely used in psychology. There is a series of selected questions, the answer to which give an insight into an individual personality. These questions have two or three alternatives like yes or no and what. The examinee marks such kind of on the correct word, okay, yeah, or cross on the wrong word. From the questionnaires, different attributes of personality like self-confidence, sociability, introversion, extroversion, dominance, subservience, etc. Okay, become apparent. Now we will discuss about checklist. It contains a list of behavior or a specific step which can be marked as present, absent, complete, incomplete, yes or no, etc. In in some cases, a teacher will use a checklist to observe the student. In other cases, a student use checklist to ensure that they have completed all of the steps and considered all of the possibilities. Now we will discuss about advantage of quantitative assessment tool. First, a standardized approach permit the study to be replicated in different areas or over time with the production of complete finding. Second point is it is possible to control for the effect of extraneous variable that might result in misleading interpretations of causality, although this can be challenging in the natural setting of evaluation. Third point is many large data sets already exist that can be analyzed. Now we will discuss about disadvantage of quantitative assessment tool. Okay. First point is data collection method provide respondents with a limited number of response options. Second point is require some expertise with statistical analysis. Third point is many kinds of information are difficult to obtain through a structured data collection instrument, particularly on sensitive topics such as domestic violence or income. So thank you friends, hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.